And beneath the surface, death waited, silent and scaled. He fought for air, for land, for life, crawling out, alive, barely. Then came the beasts, mutated, armored, unnatural. Jungle predators forged in nightmares. Through the vines and mist it appeared, an old control tower, out of place, out of time. He found a terminal. Lights flickered to life. Monitors blinked awake. He wasn't the first to be here. Then, on the screen, something impossible. Project Mirage, simulation loop. He picked up a page. Old, worn. A handwritten entry says, "I crashed again today. I remember less each time. I think I'm not the first me.